guys, all right, so the second way to be able to use this machine is what we call the glute hyper extension. Now the setup is completely different and it's really important that you get it right. So stage one is to make sure that there is a small bend in the leg. Why do we need a bend in the leg? It's to take the tension out of the hamstrings. Otherwise it becomes a hyperextension, almost like an RDL, and we want to avoid that. We just want to use the glutes. Okay, so setup position number one is to ensure that your heels are logged firmly into the top of the pad. The second position is to make sure that your hips, the top of your hip, the crease where it's the most mobile, is allowed to fold over the top of the pad. Demonstrated perfectly by Pavros here. Okay, the next thing is to make sure that you've got the correct amount of weight. We recommend before starting that you try this exercise without any additional weight whatsoever. Now what you're looking for is emphasis on the top of the range of movement. So I'll talk you through it step by step. As Pav comes back down again, the top back will relax slightly. Now as you return, what you're looking to do at the top of the exercise is to squeeze your hips and push your hips into the pad. And that's what's going to activate the glutes. It's really important here that the emphasis is on that final squeeze. Lastly, to add additional resistance, we recommend that you turn your hands out, grasp the bar, and keep a soft bend in the elbows. Add the weight incrementally to make sure that it's not too heavy. Now at the top here, what I want to see from Pav is a little bit more extension. There we go. Okay, so the next tip, what you might find when you're in the position using the glute extension is that you get a lot of pain in the top of the quad area. Now, what we recommend here is that you basically plie your feet like a ballerina, turning the soft parts of your inner thighs to the pad. This will make it a much more comfortable exercise. So the glute hyper, only at Zone Fitness.